If you're looking for a new car, but don't want the hassle of car shopping, and just the thought of haggling over price with the dealer gives you a headache, let our member-only auto buying service, Palm, do all of the legwork for you. It's the smart way to find your next car. Simply call us and tell us what you're looking for in your next car, such as make, model, and color. And one of our auto buying experts will start searching for your new car. They will personally work with you throughout the entire process. They will contact dealers, negotiate prices, and find the car you're looking for with the features you want. Our auto buying experts will not only find your new car, they will arrange a convenient time for you to test drive the car, help you get the most value for your trade-in if you have one, and save you thousands of dollars on the purchase price of your new car. Palm is so convenient, you'll never want to purchase a car any other way. We're sure you have many ways you want to spend your free time. Being stuck at the dealership isn't one of them. Get pre-approved for your budget-friendly FFCU auto loan and let Palm get you more car for your money. Visit your local branch or call us at 800-537-8491. Palm will save you money and valuable time. Don't look for a new car without contacting us first.